Hey William, this is William's first time eating solid foods.
Some squash or some sweet potatoes, right?
Sweet potatoes. How does that taste, boss? That wasn't a very convincing face as far as liking it.
You like sweet potatoes? He says.
He didn't at first, but maybe they're growing on him.
Not so much.
It's a pretty sour face. What do you think of your first solid foods, William? Good stuff or no? Maybe it'll grow on you. Hi, buddy.
It kind of tastes weird,
Yeah.
Dad.
That's my boy.
Don't you like them?
Hi, Peanut. Yeah, that's my boy. Hey, Peanut. Hey, Peanut.
One more. This is I'm gonna spit out in Mommy's face. William, no.
You're funny. You're a funny little boy. William, you want to know something? Your daddy doesn't like that either. Your daddy doesn't like sweet potatoes either.
One more.
You're a ham. Smile, it's not that bad. Yes. Good boy. Good job, buddy. You're doing a good job. We're proud of you. Good boy. Come on, it's not that bad. Let's get a little smile. Let's get a little smile. Yeah. Yeah, are you eating any of it? Maybe just a little bit? Maybe just a little bit? Okay. Good boy. That's William eating his first solid food.
Yay!
Good boy. Good boy.